Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. At least I think it's Saturday. When you have this many days off that mess with your schedule, yesterday I thought was Sunday, and so forth. I think you all know what I'm talking about. Last night, Robert and I went super simple, and we went with good old American chili dogs. I know there's a lot of controversy on chili dogs. Every region of the nation has their own style. Basically, all of the garnishes mostly were items left over from the day before. So I really didn't have to do anything except for, cook the hot dogs and heat up some, and Robin heated up the chili. That's it. That was simple. We pretty much cleaned off and cleaned up and got rid of and ate most of the leftovers from Christmas and Christmas Eve. So, excellent. Today is Culinary Expedition Day, the last one for this week. And we are going to be in Paraguay. And I will be preparing Puchero. Basically, it's a soup/stew. This is another simple ingredient. Let's get to it. And we're starting off with some pork shoulder. You can also do this in beef, but I chose pork for this one. Kosher salt, black pepper. It's garlic day. Yellow onion, half chunks. A russet potato. This will be actually going to be using some of the little baby yellows, but they'll be quartered. Some garbanzo, aka chickpeas, carrot. The spices and herbs are Hungarian paprika, coriander, Mediterranean oregano, cilantro, and good old bay leaf. And we'll be using homemade Casual Chef chicken stock. Did you go shopping yesterday in the craziness? We didn't. Nope. Nope. Not happening. But I did a little bit of research on things that we need. That's about it. That's about as close as I got to shopping. All right. So on this Saturday, the weather is supposed to be If you're traveling to the mountains, here in Northern California, good luck. You're going to need it. All right. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.